What do you have?
I have a Valentine for you.
Oh, are you my Valentine? Thank you,
Yeah,
boo-boo.
Maya and my name are written down here.
Did you write that? Good job.
And there's your
Can I
name.
have a kiss? Happy Valentine's Day. Kiss up here. Thank you. Maya, thank you. Happy Valentine's Day.
Don't put it in your mouth. Oh, wow, sea change.
What is it?
That's what I always wanted!
What is it? All right. What do you have, Maya? Let me see. All right.
Awesome!
I love it.
Those are pretty awesome.
And look what I got. I got necklaces and a bunny.
Oh, wow. Maya.
Even better! I got 2 double crayons!
Oh, by cars?
Yeah!
A napkin. How exciting. Oh, boy. What do you say to Cupid?
Thank you!
Say Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day!